sugar. It's your girl Risa coming at y'all, and I'm just coming to share with y'all what I'm doing. Let me sit this in the oven. Let me show you first of all. This is what baby cooked. Ribs. No, not ribs. Steak and chicken on the grill, okay? So, I'm coming to share with you one of my quick things that I like to make. And so, what it is shrimp and broccoli. I buy the shrimp from Walmart. These were $5.68. So I got two. They already are peeled and the vein and the tail is off. So all you have to do is throw them in. I bought the frozen broccoli. And, hold on 1 minute. And I don't know if you guys will be able to find this. I know Winn-Dixie sell it. I don't know of any other stores because that's just the store that we have. Winn-Dixie. And it is called, this is Scampi Seafood Sauce. So, I'm going to make the shrimp and broccoli, but I'm going to put the Scampi sauce on it, okay? Without the pasta. So, I'm not going to use the pasta. So, I start off with my broccoli. And because I have a large family, I might need to put a little more. And I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes because my little girls asked for mashed potatoes. So I'm just switching my eyes around. Put my broccoli over here. So I got my broccoli already in my pan, and I'm just throwing it out because it was frozen. And how I do that is I turn my pot on high, put all my broccoli in, and I add a cup and a half of water and just let it steam till it thaw out. And till it get full, meaning I can pick it up with the fork. It's not done, but it's not frozen either. So once it gets like that, meaning it still has its green color, it's not washed out, then I am going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in the bottom of my pan. Janae, the dude is opening all the pot pies. You want a pot pie? Tablespoon. Now this is just in the bottom for seasoning. So, Janae, my son is reared up. Will you look up? Oh, never mind. I do it. Hold on, guys. You don't need to. There's nothing in your face. He always talking about something in his face. When you put those in here, will you look over here for me some garlic? I know I got some garlic powder somewhere. But anyway, so I got my, hold on. I got my, can you see my broccoli?
No candy.
And it's fork tender. See, stir it up so you can get some of the frozen ones on the bottom. Just garlic, not onion. What you say? There's nothing on your face. There's nothing. He wants me to open the candy jar, and I'm not going to open it. Well, I take that back. What you want? What you want out the candy jar? Say lollipop.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. You want a donut? Look. See, show him the donuts, Jeanette. No, he want the lollipop. What you want?
Got candy. Thank you.
He didn't want the lollipop. He wanted the Skittles. Thank you. I have it. You putting it back? He sees something else, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm going to sprinkle a little salt. Now I'm going to open my shrimp and just put them in. 1, 2, 3. They will create water because they are frozen, so I don't need to add any more water. Make sure you put them cheese where I can find it for tomorrow. Good job. Oh, I don't know if all those are fit in there, but so I have all of my shrimp in with my broccoli, and I'm gonna add another tablespoon of butter. That's a little more than a tablespoon, but. And I'm going to add a little more salt on top. Just a little. And so, I'm going to shake up my seasoning. Sound like a what the thing is? A pigeon. Will you look under the other side over there and see if my top of this pot. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Let me see. Y'all know my camera jacked up. So, pour a little of this. No, that pot. No, the one for that pot.
Oh.
And now I'm going to put my lid on it. And I'm going to turn it down. And just let it simmer. Now in about the next 10 maybe 15 minutes I am going to add my second bottle if I need to. What you say, babe?
That was me. I'm not daddy.
I know.
Oh.
I know what your daddy sound like. I know he do not sound like a girl.
I just sound just so stressed out.
Why? Because you started late on your homework?
No, I started early this week. It's taking me a long time now because I'm really not understanding it, and I'm trying to understand it, but it's like the more I dig, the more calories I see with it. And so I just even my professor, and I just told him, look, I tried. You might be wrong. I don't know. It's like just do your best, and it's not about having perfect answers, but just see if you understand it. Some of them I did, some of them I didn't. So, and it's worth 300 points for my grade. That's what scared me the most.
So last semester you made a what?
What do you mean?
Well, last grade you made an A, right?
What, for this class?
Yeah.
This is my first time taking this class.
Oh, okay. No. What was that you told me you made an A on?
Oh, that was my paper in another class.
Oh, see. I'm all over the place.
good in this class.
My baby needs some encouragement, y'all. She overwhelmed.
Pray me. Pray for me.
Yeah. But y'all, I bought me some shades, y'all, finally. From Dollar Tree. I gotta get used to wearing shades. I'm not used to it. So you see what they wear on top of the wig. So, yeah. But I'll be back to show you guys the finished products. I love y'all. Bye, sugar. If the camera cut off, for real though.